Unveiling latest breakthroughs in drone technology, we welcome you to the future of aerial autonomy. Presenting our flagship products, the AIR8 and the AIR4, which demonstrate system maneuverability, endurance, and auto waypoint flying, setting standards for surveying, energy, agriculture, task forces, and logistics. Recently, we opened our factory doors for industry professionals to witness the craftsmanship and precision that goes into every Air6 Systems and airborne robotics product. We showcased a control center-operated flight initiated and conducted from our offices in the UK, over 1,500 kilometers away. This paves the way for BVLOS autonomy. We're not just pushing boundaries, we're redefining them, and our efforts haven't gone unnoticed. Recognized with major awards across Europe and the Middle East, our portfolio strategy speaks volumes. We're proud to present our latest innovation, DrSolar, a cutting-edge solar inspection solution combining sensor fusion with AI. Together, let's shape drone innovation and aerial advancement.